Hey guys, and welcome to tonight's video. In today's video we're working on the Firebird and also showing you guys something pretty cool that I teamed up with a company. So stay tuned and let's get right into the vlog. In today's video guys, we're removing this nasty ass wiring harness here, and that's gonna be great and hopefully it's gonna be easy. Right now we removed everything on top of the car, so we're gonna be able to open up the trunk and also remove the wiring here under the carpet. So let's jump straight into it. So we already removed the engine wiring harness on the other side, and then we have fuse box in here and all the other connectors for the dashboard. So we're gonna rip all this out, also the steering column harness right here, and that's pretty much the most of it. Then there's one cable that goes up here and up here, this one, and then underneath the carpet and all the way into the back. Yo guys, quick announcement here. I have a big news. Hansen Shoes sponsored us with some awesome 70s styles boots so I can drive around in the Firebird with style. We also got some amazing driving gloves. So if you guys want any of these cool products, then don't forget to check out their website. Everything is custom made and you can choose everything you want, down to the stitching and even the name on the bottom of the shoe. So don't forget to check out handenshoes.com in my bio. Thank you Hansen Shoes for supporting me and sponsoring today's little post. Look at that, it even says Hansen Racing on the bottom. Yo guys, so quick update on the build. So something I did down here under the car was remove one of the fuel lines which weren't even like used or whatever. It was just there, so we put that over there, throw it in the trash can. Then the main fuel line we have over here, I cleaned it up. It was all dirty and full of like undercarriage protection, and then we also need a new hose for it. Now the transmission, the TH350, I removed the rear main seal, or like the output shaft seal or whatever, so we got that one ordered, so new one on the way. Now we're getting to paint some stuff over here, a few things for the grill and also some brake dust covers and such. This thing, I'm not quite sure, the radiator support, I think we're gonna send it off for sandblasting because that's honestly the easiest thing. Or maybe actually just buy a new one, just to make the build look nice. Because honestly, I think it's nearly as cheap to buy a new one as to getting the current one fixed up or whatever. So that's kind of weird, but yeah, that's how things go sometimes. Now we officially got a new name for the car, and you know, we've been going back and forth with different names and stuff, but I did a poll on Instagram and like, I don't know, 150 people voted for this. So Trans Am it is. And not only does the car gonna have stands, it's also gonna be a Trans Am clone, so it makes sense. It's a brilliant name and I love it too. By the way, we got this long ass to-do list right here. Sorry the bad handwriting, but I mean, there's a few things, you know, stuff like from the transmission we ordered, and then there's something that's blurred out right there because that's a surprise in the future. But yeah, so far quick update on the build. So just got done wrenching on the Firebird and we got the whole wiring harness out, and that was pretty awesome. I didn't get to, you know, show that much or talk that much. I kind of got in the mode, you know, and just wrenched on, you know. Got the whole thing out in like, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. So that was pretty cool. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, then don't forget to drop a like and a subscribe down below. It was really awesome also showing you guys that we partnered up with on Dandy with these shoes. That was pretty cool. They basically just hit me up on Instagram and sent me these products. So thank you so much for sending that out, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.